Welcome to Exploring the USA with David. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by, and please hit the subscribe button. It definitely helps my channel, and as always, your questions and comments are greatly appreciated. This is a 60-day review of my 48 quart set point 45 liter app control large capacity low noise refrigerator freezer. The set point 48 quart 12 volt refrigerator freezer has several configurations. It can have 2 refrigerator compartments. It can have 2 freezer compartments. The large compartment can be either the refrigerator freezer compartment. The small compartment can be either the refrigerator freezer compartment. The large compartment has a removable basket. The temperature settings of each compartment can be controlled with an app on your phone by using the control buttons built into the cabinet. This is what the 2 compartments look like when they're empty. And if you look at the large compartment, it also has a drain on that side. And the large compartment is designed for a basket. This is how easy it is to load the basket. As you can see, the basket is fairly full. Basically, take it in here and drop it in. In the small section, just drop in your frozen hamburger patties. Nothing like frozen blueberries. More hamburger patties. And close it up. These are the refrigerator freezer control buttons. And as you can see, I've got the freezer set for 0 degrees and the refrigerator set for 39 degrees. This newer version of the Set Power 48 quart refrigerator freezer has some metal brackets you can install to put a strap through so that the unit doesn't move while you're going down the road. This is a screenshot of the refrigerator's phone app. Thanks again for stopping by, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Goodbye.